Did you know that one simple fruit could hold the secret to better skin, a healthier heart, and even cancer prevention? Let's dive into the amazing health benefits of tomatoes backed by science. Tomatoes aren't just a kitchen staple. They're a powerhouse of health benefits with solid scientific evidence. Here's why. Rich in lycopene for heart health. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a potent antioxidant. According to a study published in Nutrients, regular consumption of lycopene-rich foods, including tomatoes, was associated with a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol and blood pressure, both key factors in reducing heart disease risk. This antioxidant protects your arteries by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Boosts skin health. Thanks to their high vitamin C content, tomatoes support collagen production, essential for firm and youthful skin. A review in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology emphasizes how vitamin C in tomatoes enhances skin repair and hydration. Additionally, a study published in Photochemical and Photobiological Sciences shows that lycopene acts as a natural sunscreen, reducing sunburn risk by absorbing harmful UV rays. Supports eye health. Tomatoes are rich in beta-carotene and lutein, which play crucial roles in maintaining healthy vision. According to research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, higher intake of these nutrients reduces the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, especially in older adults. Lutein helps protect the eyes from oxidative damage caused by blue light exposure. Cancer-fighting properties. Lycopene and other antioxidants in tomatoes can lower cancer risks. A study in Cancer Epidemiology, Biomarkers and Prevention found that men with higher lycopene intake had a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Another paper in Nutrition and Cancer showed that tomato-based foods were associated with a decreased risk of digestive tract cancers, thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Improves digestion. Tomatoes are high in water and fiber, promoting better digestion. A study from the World Journal of Gastroenterology highlights the importance of dietary fiber in preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. Fiber-rich tomatoes help regulate bowel movements and promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Want to discover more about how everyday foods can transform your health? Make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Don't forget to share this video with someone who loves tomatoes or is seeking a health boost. Together, let's embrace the power of natural remedies and live healthier lives.